The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is July 3, Feast of Saint Thomas, the Doubter, or the twin, one of the 12 disciples of our Lord Jesus Christ. And the Gospel will be coming from St. John chapter 20, verses 24 to 29. The Gospel recounts the resurrection appearances of Jesus to the 12 disciples. On the first instance, Thomas was absent. And so when the other disciples told Thomas that Jesus appeared before them, he said, "I will not believe, not until I put my finger on the wounds of his crucifixion." And on the second instance of Jesus' appearance, Thomas was already there, and Jesus told him, "Look, here am I. Put your finger on the wounds." And then Thomas said, "My Lord and my God." We all have our own doubts. And I believe that to have doubt is something natural for us, especially when we want to be certain about so many things, much more in our faith in our Lord Jesus Christ. However, let our doubt be for the sake of clarity and deepening our faith, and not for the sake of doubting. As we always say, doubt is the beginning of wisdom. And that is why when our Lord Jesus Christ met Thomas, the doubter, he didn't judge him for not believing. Rather, he turned to him with the eyes of mercy and forgiveness. That is the two sides of our story today. Let all realize that our doubt should be towards understanding and clarity of our faith. And let God open our mind and our hearts towards the truth. And secondly, let us be like Jesus, slow in judging. Instead of giving judgment outrightly, let us use our heart to be compassionate and to be understanding of those people who doubted us. May we be like St. Thomas, who will be willing to understand. And like him, when he finally understood, he gave up his life for the sake of the truth. God bless.